evening. This is last example which we are going to solve over here related with your trusses, and this example is related with your temperature change. So determine the forces in all members of the truss due to fall of temperature in member BD. So BD by 30 degrees centigrade. Cross-sectional area of all members is 1500 mm square. Alpha is 0.0001 per degree centigrade. So now same step 1 static indeterminacy R3. So R minus equilibrium equation 3 minus 3 0. So DSI M minus 2J minus 3 8 minus 2 into 5, because we have 5 joint A B C D E minus 3 equal to 1. So we have ds equal to 0 plus 1. Number of redundants we have equal to ds. And we are going to consider BD as redundant. Why BD is considered as redundant? Because member BD undergoes temperature change. As member BD undergoes temperature change. Undergoes temperature change. So now we will go with as no external forces acting on the truss, so that P forces are 0. So now we will apply unit force in BD. So we have this, actually we have step 3. So we have step 3, P forces. Now we have step 4, K forces. Now in this we have to apply unit force in BD. So we have E, B and EC 0, no load, no reaction at E, so both become 0. So now we have BD as 1. Then we will consider joint B and then summation Fx 0 minus 1 cos 45 minus FBA 0. So FBA minus 0.71, that is compression. Then we have 0.71 in BA, and that is compression. Fy0, we will get FBC from this 0.71 compression. So BC also 0.71 compression. Then we will go to joint C, and then we will apply summation Fy equal to 0. And then from this we will get FCA1, and which is positive, so tensile. So AC or CA1 tensile, and then Fx equal to 0. So we have FAB minus FCD we have minus 0.71. So this is FCD minus 0.71. So FCD minus 0.71. So FCD minus 0.71, and then FAD automatically we have minus 0.71. So we have these as the K forces. So in the table, B and C are not considered. We have taken only 6 members. So member length area K square L upon A. So AB we have 2000, area all we have 1500. So K minus 0.71. So K square L upon A 0.67. Now for AB, then we have BC same values. Then we have CD same values. And then we have AD or DA, we have same values. Then we have diagonal, and in that diagonal we have AC length we have 2828.43, because we have root 2 square diagonal. So we have root 2 square plus 2 square, and this comes 2.82. So 2828.43. Area we have same. K we have 1. K square L upon A 1.89. BD we are going to be 1.89, because BD and AC we have same. Then we have K square L upon A. So we will add all these values. We will get it as 6.46. Now we have formula dr is equal to dr temperature plus F into R. Now dr equal to minus L alpha TB. Why minus? Because we have decrease in temperature. Alpha we have. So we can have alpha decrease in temperature or fall of temperature. So if it is increase, then we have plus. If it is fall, then we have minus. then plus k square L upon AE into R. Now we have 0, L we have member BD, so we have minus sign already. L we have 2828.43, then alpha 0.00001 into 30, we have fall of temperature, plus k square L upon A, so we have this value 6.46 upon 2 into 10 raised to 5 into R. And when we will solve this, we will get value of R that is equal to 26.27 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. So we have 26.27 kilonewton. So once we know R, then we can find other values. So now we have this value. So we have 18.65, because now we have value of R. So if we will see R, so we have this value of R 26.27. So I will write R equal to 26.27 kilonewtons. So now we will calculate other values. So we have AB. So we have PF is equal to 0.71 into 26.27. And we will get this value that is 18.65. This is AB. And we have same values for BC, CD and AD. So you can see this 18.65 compression, 18.65 compression. Then we have next AC. So you can see AC, we have PF is equal to 1 into 26.27. And we have this value 26.27 kilonewton. And that is tensile. This we have minus 0.71. So this comes minus 18.65. So we have this as compression. So we have both AC also 26.27 kilonewton and BD also we have 26.27 kilonewton. So we have this diagram gives you final forces because we do not have any P forces. So whatever K into R, we will get it. That K into R, we have nothing but PF, that is final forces. So likewise, the change if we will see, so we have change in lack of it and this, we have this as dr temperature. And in lack of it, we have G lack of it. Now, if length is greater, then value is plus, length is smaller, then value is minus. If temperature value fall, minus L alpha T, temperature increase, we have L alpha T. So likewise, we have these problems. So all the best for the exam, solve it calmly, check calculations neatly. So thank you. So we will stop here only. So good night.